Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama Rama, Hari Hari. Omnipresent, omniscient, omnipotent, God of light, God of sound. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama, Hari Hari. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hari Hari, Hari Rama, Rama, Hari Hari. Build a defense against ignorance, and make yourself safe with your desires. Good and truth is beyond identity. Only spiritual rewards and merit are guaranteed, but psychic and physical achievement is to be worked for, with spiritual duties fulfilled. There are spiritual practices beyond regulations. And I don't really mean chaos magic, but you can think that, right? God is not controlled, but it is creation that laws are forced on. If laziness or sleep keeps us from rising for basic spiritual practices, we are under the dullness or delusion of illusion as much as if we had unbridled passion, but the latter is more of a threat. Truth, good, and even contentment are more important than sentiment. Liberation in life involves to regard what God would want in each aspect of life. When you have achieved a level of realization or goodness, continue to progress. A spiritual path may require inconvenience at times. A person may become purified by adopting a diet upon religious principles. The bodily needs are not spiritual, but can thus be regulated accordingly. We are responsible for our own controlling, but God is the ultimate controller. Distinguish between the planes. Like in my recent New Age seminar, physical, astral, causal, mental, etheric, soul planes, that sort of thing. Janut, Nasut, Malakut, Lahut, is a clearer way of understanding it. The roles we get in life are trusts and opportunities for spiritual advancement and being in accord with nature. Attain to the modes necessary of the time. Worship as if you can see God. Very few authentically and completely try to be of the highest spiritual class, but God gives you the opportunity to choose your desired modes, even if they are like animals. Spiritual evolution is according to the modes of ignorance, passion, and goodness. Try to understand the scriptures in order. Worship for a personal connection. Questions as part of surrender. Question as part of surrender. The absolute truth is available in regards to all things and has a source. The highest realization is not any one realization, but the all-divinity realization. I've talked about the Akshar realization in my New Age religion playlist, but this is something older than that, right? So we need to distinguish between Hinduism and other paths, and the all-divinity realization takes one beyond void worship and taking oneself as a god. It takes a person beyond taking oneself as a god through projection. A lot of the false worship that people have, well, they're not worshiping themselves, but they're worshiping their own issues in a way. Our point shouldn't be competition with other religious systems, but raising consciousness. Chetastat pravanam junjanastvavit samhatanjalih slakshnaya suktaya vacha sarvaloka gariyasah atrir uvacha visvonbhava sete layashu vibhaja vibhajamanair maya gunair anuyugam vigrhita deha te brahma vishnu girisa pranato sme aham vastamyah kaeva bhavatam ma eopahuta. With the heart situated on them, making the prayers that were offered with folded hands and ecstatic prayers. The words all over the world, honorable. Atris said, the universe, its creation, its maintenance, and its destruction is being divided by the external modes of nature. According to the different millenniums, accepting the bodies, that they, the creator, the maintainer, the auspicious, I'm bowing unto you, who certainly of you, by me, are here called for. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Now try saying that 108 times, 16 times a day.